If you want to add Instagram highlights to your account, then simply tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then you might see this option to create an Instagram highlight, this plus sign. Now, in case it's not there, you can tap on the three lines in the top right corner, and then that should open settings and activity, and then tap on archive, and then make sure you are in stories archives. If you tap here, make sure you select stories archive to see your old Instagram stories. So you can pick one. So for instance, if I pick this one and tap on highlight, I can start the process of creating a highlight with that image or with that particular story as the highlight cover. So I'll tap on add. That's going to be added to my highlights. And now I can go back to my profile page and you should see that highlight. And then you can now go ahead and customize the highlight by tapping on it and then tapping on the three dots and then selecting edit highlight. So to add stories to your highlight, tap on stories, and then now you can go and look at your archive of Instagram stories, and you can go selecting all the stories you want in your highlight. Once you're happy with that, you can edit the name of the highlight. So for instance, I can call this mine test, and then once I can also change the cover photo to a different story and also position it differently, and then tap on done. Okay, and then confirm again by tapping on done in the top right corner. And now we have a highlight on my Instagram profile. So if I want to add another highlight, I'll just come here and do the same thing, add highlights and pick stories from my archive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.